I was searching a way to find a solution for organizing my desk cables. And instead of going to Amazon, I can show you how you can design and 3D print these ones faster and cheaper than Amazon Prime. First is to sketch up the design on paper, then second step, we transfer it to Fusion 360. After that we make the model. The next step is to send it in the slicer, apply the settings, and send it to the printer. And start printing. Now let's go under the desk. It's very easy to install. We just need one screw. And I've made this hole for the screwdriver for the ease of use. Perfect. And now I have an easy way how to handle the cables. And if you're interested in the design for printing, I've made it available for free. You can find it in the description. And also let me know in the comments ideas what to 3D print next. See you tomorrow!